Good morning, children, and good morning, parents. This is Mrs. Pallavi Doshi, and I'm the mother teacher of senior KG class students. Yes, and this is day 18, and we are going to begin our session with the welcome song. So, are you ready, children? Yes, let's begin. W, a letter which is warm, warm, warm. W, a letter which is warm, warm, warm. E for the energetic song. L, the love I have for you. L, the love I have for you. C, collected from the song. Oh, how wonderful of you. Oh, how wonderful of you. And for many things we do. And for many things we do. E, enjoy yourself too. That is welcome from PJK and all. So, children and parents, welcome to the day 18. And as usual, we are going to start with our SEW time, where S stands for special skill of the day. And today's special skill is, yes, dear children, you are going to help your parents in the kitchen. So what you are going to do? Yes, I know you are very excited to know about it. So you are going to wash the vegetables before cooking. Children, this is very, very important because if we don't wash the vegetables, there are many germs and there is much dirt on it, so we have to wash it. Not just to wash it, we have to keep it in the water for half an hour, and then we have to rub it properly. Okay, see the picture how the girl is washing the vegetables. She is putting in the sink. We have to put it in the utensil, keep it in the utensil, and we have to wash it properly. Yes, and after doing this activity and before doing this activity, you have to wash your hands for 20 seconds, right, children? And then only you have to start doing this. And after doing this activity, don't forget to again wash your hands. Yes, the next one is E, which stands for everything to do with day, date, and month of the year. And this month is September, that's correct. And the year is 2020, that's right. And this month has 30 days in all. So W stands for weather for the day, and see outside the window and tell your parents about today's weather. How is the weather today, children? Yes, this you have to tell to your parents, of course. Now it's time to recite the days of the week. So let's begin with my turn and your turn. Okay. So Sunday, are you ready, children? Yes, let's start. Sunday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's correct. Thumbs up to all of you. Very nice. So let's begin with the rhyme session. And the first rhyme for today is Haso or Hasao. It is a Hindi rhyme. And let's begin with the Hindi rhyme. प्यास लगे तो पानी पी लो, प्यास लगे तो पानी पी लो, भूख लगे तो खाना खा लो, भूख लगे तो खाना खा लो, रोना धोना बुरी बात है, रोना धोना बुरी बात है, खूब हंसो और हमें हंसाओ, खूब हंसो और हमें हंसाओ. Yes, the second rhyme is tulips are the brightest of flowers. So let's sing on the tune of Baba Black Sheep. Tulips are the brightest of flowers. Tulips are the brightest of flowers. The saint of the rose is best by far. The saint of the rose is best by far. Sunflowers always follow the sun. Sunflowers always follow the sun, and to look at the sunflower is so much fun. And to look at the sunflower is so much fun. Flowers are red, pink, yellow, and blue. Flowers are red, pink, yellow, and blue. Butterflies need them, and so do you. Butterflies need them, and so do you. So, children, I know you all love the flowers and you love the nature and you love to look at the colorful flowers, red, pink, yellow, blue, and many colors of flowers are there. And you love to see the butterflies on the flowers seeking the nectar, isn't it, children? So this was a beautiful rhyme related to tulips, the flower which is grown mostly in the Netherlands. Okay, children? So let's begin with the next rhyme. Gadi. Yes, this is also an Hindi rhyme. So let's begin. टिक 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 घड़ी है चलती, टिक 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 घड़ी है चलती, नहीं कभी भी रुकती थकती, नहीं कभी भी रुकती थकती, नहीं कभी यह खाना खाती, नहीं कभी यह खाना खाती, पर समय हमेशा सही बताती, पर समय हमेशा सही बताती. Here is the next rhyme. Here we go round the mulberry bush. So let's start with this rhyme, beautiful rhyme of today. Let's start, children. Are you ready? Yes, let's begin. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush, so early in the morning. This is the way we bale the hay, bale the hay, bale the hay. This is the way we bale the hay, so early Monday morning. This is the way we feed the chicks, feed the chicks. Feed the chicks. This is the way we feed the chicks so early Tuesday morning. This is the way we sweep the porch, sweep the porch, sweep the porch. This is the way we sweep the porch so early Wednesday morning. This is the way we paint the fence, paint the fence, paint the fence. This is the way we paint the fence so early Thursday morning. This is the way we groom the horse, groom the horse, groom the horse. This is the way we groom the horse so early Friday morning. Oh, this is the way we milk the cows, milk the cows, milk the cows. This is the way we milk the cows so early Saturday morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early Sunday morning. So children, you must have enjoyed these rhymes of today, and let's begin with the next one. The next rhyme of today is traveling, traveling. So let's sing on the tune of row, row, row your boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Traveling, traveling on the water, boats are what you take. Traveling, traveling on the water, boats are what you take. Drive, drive, drive your car, have a merry ride. Drive, drive, drive your car, have a merry ride. Traveling, traveling on the road, cars are what you use. Traveling, traveling on the road, cars are what you use. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet, stomp them on the ground. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet, stomp them on the ground. Traveling, traveling on your feet, walk to get around. Traveling, traveling on your feet, walk to get around. So children, we have completed today all the rhymes, the 5 rhymes of today, and I hope you have enjoyed those rhymes. So let's go for the next session, next part of the session. That is the literacy symphonics, and let's begin the session with the golden rules. Come on, children, sit straight. Yes. Elephant ears, elephant ears, magnetic eyes, magnetic eyes. Clean your desk, clean your desk for learning, for learning. Hands on your laps, hands on your laps to concentrate, to concentrate. Sweet talking mouth to say the sound, sweet talking mouth to say the sound, and politeness. So how you should be always? You should be polite to everyone. Yes, and you have to sit straight when you are learning, or when you are learning to not to just study, but new things. You have to sit straight, listen to your teacher, listen to the elders, and you have to concentrate. Okay, children. So let's begin with today's session of literacy. And the first letter you can see on the screen is letter S. So you have to first recite the letter name, then the sound, and then the keyword. So let's begin, children. Yes, with action you have to do. Letter S it is, just I have said to you now. Snake, snake. Letter A, ant, And letter T, table, table. Letter P, popcorn, popcorn. Children, you have to recite with me. Come on. Letter N and nail, nail. Say it with me. Letter I, ich, ink pot, ich, ink pot. You remember the story of Ibrahim, isn't it? Yes. Letter L, lamp, lamp. That's correct. Letter D, dance, dance. Letter F, yes, fan, fan. Letter H, horse, horse. That's right. Letter O, octopus, octopus. Letter C, yes children, letter C, letter K and letter CK have the same sounds. Sorry. Letter C, letter K and letter CK have the same sound. Okay. So what is the letter C sound? Cat, caterpillar. Letter K, kite, kite. Letter CK, duck, duck. That's correct. And now letter G it is. And say the sound. G, grapes, g, grapes. Today we are going to learn a new letter, children. Are you excited? Yes. Which letter you can see on the screen? It is letter R. Okay. It is lowercase r. And what is its sound? R. What is its sound? R. R. Rocket. R. Rocket. That's right. Yes, you can see on the screen. Yes, what is it? It's rocket. That's correct. And now it's time to do the skywriting, children. So take your index finger, okay, and bring it in the front, okay. In the air you have to write, and your teacher is going to write on the screen, okay, on the flashcard. So let's begin. As I'm telling you to write, according to the numbers, you have to move your finger, okay. Just start from this point where the dot is there. Just start. 1, again cover up, 2 and 3. That's correct. One more time we will do it, children. Are you ready? Yes, 1, 2 and it's 3. That's correct. Very good, children. And now what is there on the screen? I cannot see anything. Yes, this is letter R. And what is its sound? R. And let's see the picture. Rain, rain. This is the rainy season, isn't it? Yes. So this is rain. Which letter it is? R. And the picture is a rabbit. R. Rabbit. Come on, say with me. R. Rabbit. Yes. And the letter R and the sound is R. Ribbon, ribbon. You tying on your hairs, isn't it? Or to the gift pack, isn't it? Ribbon and rainbow. Such a beautiful rainbow it is, and it has how many colors? It has 7 colors. Beautiful rainbow it is. And the next one is rose, rose. Yes. Now it's time to read the green words. So let's begin. So how many dashes you can see here? 1, 2 and 3, children. Yes, isn't it? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 dashes, there are 3 sounds. You know this now. Yes. So say the sound and then we will pronounce the word. Okay. Let's begin. R, ah, Again. R, ah, faster. Ran. That's correct. So we will do in this way now. Come on. According to the LE way. Okay, come on. So take your hand, make a fist of it, put it at your back side. Come on. And I will show you like this now. Put it at your back side. So I will read the letters, letter names. R, open your fingers. A, N. One more time. Make a feast. R, A, N. Now show and read. Come on. R, A, ran. Come on, do it one more time. R, A, ran. That's correct. So next word is R-I-P. So how many dashes are there? 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 sounds. Okay. So R, I, P, R, I, P, rip. Okay. So make a feast. Put it at your backside. Your teacher will show on the screen. Put it at your backside. And as I say the letter name, you have to open your fingers. R, sorry, R, I, P. Come on, bring your hand in the front. Show me, show to your teacher, and then read now. Yes, read with the help of the sound. R, I, P, rip. That's correct. Now again we will do, okay. So you can see the 3 dashes. First check the dashes. There are 3 dashes. That means there are 3 sounds. Okay. So R-O-D. Read it with the help of the name, letter name, R-O-D. So make a feast. Put it at your backside. Your teacher will show like this. Okay. Now as I say the letter name, open your fingers. R-O-D. Now show to your teacher. And now read. Rod. That's right. Yes, children. Now it's time for the symphonics and introduction of letter R we have done. And I'm going to read the instructions for you for the worksheet. Okay. So it's the page number 42 worksheet. Correct, children? Don't forget to date here. Put the date here. D-A-T-E, date. Write here date. Okay, in the date column. And move your index finger on the letter to trace it. So which is your index finger? This one, correct? Of your right hand. And move your index finger on the letter to trace it. So what you all have to do? You have to move the index finger on the worksheet on the letter R. So let's begin. This is the uppercase R. 1, 2, and a slanting line 3. One more time we will do it, children. 1, 2 and 3. Very nice, children. Now it's time for lowercase r. 1, 2, 3. Again one more time we are going to do it. 1, 2 and 3. So children, note here, when we write uppercase R, we have to write from dark line to dark line. Okay. And when we write lowercase r, we will write from dotted line to dark line. There are 4 lines given here. First one is dark line, the second one is dotted line, third is dark line again, and fourth one is dotted line. So which lines we have to use for letter R? Yes, for uppercase R, dark line to dark line, and for lowercase r, dotted line to dark line. Okay, children. So let's begin. Let's start with the worksheet. Yes. Now let's trace the letter R. Okay. So this is the uppercase R from solid line to solid line. 1, 2, and 3. This is the uppercase R and the lowercase r. 1, 2, and 3. That's correct. This is the way you have to complete this row now. Okay. And circle the next one we will do now. Circle the objects that begin with sound R. And what is the sound of R? R. That's correct. So one more time I will read the instructions. Circle the objects that begin with sound R. So children, does apple sound from the letter R? Does it begin from the sound R? Apple? No. So we need not circle apple. The next one is the B. We need not circle it too. Then the third one is mask. Does it start with or does it begin with sound R? No. Now the next one, the next picture is of rabbit. Rabbit. That's right. Now what we will do here? We will circle the picture of rabbit. That's right. The next one is rain. Rain. Yes. Here also we will have to circle the picture of rain. And the next one is rocket. Rocket. That's right. It starts with the sound R. Rocket. That's right, children. So we have completed our worksheet. You have to complete it at home and you have to send me the picture after you have completed your worksheet. Don't forget to write your date, right, children, and read the instructions, parents, carefully. Read in English only and don't explain them. Just they have to practice in English. Okay, parents. Yes, now it's time for Hindi. It's day 18 and we are going to do the recitation of swara and vyanjan. So let's begin. चलो पढ़ते हैं स्वर अभी. अ से अनार. अ से अनार. मेरे साथ कहिए बच्चों. अ से अनार. आ से आम. आ से आम. ई से इमली. ई से इमली. ई से ईख. ई से ईख. मीठा मीठा ईख. आप गन्ने का जूस पीते हो ना, ईख. आपको चित्र को देखकर आपको रिसाइट करना है. यस. नेक्स्ट वन इज ऊ से उल्लू. ऊ से उल्लू. ऊ से ऊन. ऊ से ऊन. रू से ऋषि. रू से ऋषि. ए से एड़ी. ए से एड़ी. आई से ऐनक. आई से ऐनक. ओ से ओढ़नी. ओ से ओढ़नी. औ से औरत. औ से औरत. अंग से अंगूर. अंग से अंगूर. आहा. तो चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट? यस, हमें स्वर वापस पढ़ने हैं. अ, आ, ई, ई. ऊ, ऊ, रू. ए, आई, ओ, औ, अंग, आहा. एक बार वापस हम पढ़ेंगे, पर इस बार हमें अपने फीस्ट को इस तरह से मुट्ठी को बंद करना है और एक के ऊपर इसे चढ़ाते जाना है जैसे हम स्वर को रिसाइट करते हैं. चलो लेट्स बिगिन. अ, आ, ई, ई. ऊ, ऊ, रू. ए, आई, ओ, औ, अंग, आहा. मजा आया है बच्चों? अभी हमें स्वरमाला पूरी करनी है. इसे आपको घर पे करना है. मैं एक बार आपको बता देती हूँ इसे किस तरह से करना है. लेट्स बिगिन. अ से अनार. नेक्स्ट वन इज आ से आम. Write it like this. In one standing line, again another standing line and a sleeping line. अ, आ, अभी है यह है रस्व ई. ई and a sleeping line. दीर्घ ई. ऊ, ऊ. और एक स्लीपिंग लाइन. रू से ऋषि. ए, आई से ऐनक. यानी आपको मिसिंग अल्फाबेट्स जो है, मिसिंग स्वर जो है उसे पूरा करना है. मिसिंग अक्षरों को आपको पूरा करना है. ए, आई, ओ, ओढ़नी. Sorry. One standing line and one sleeping line here. ओ, औ से औरत. अंग से अंगूर. और अभी लास्ट में क्या बचा है? आहा. Just a moment. Yes. One slipping line here. It's very difficult to write. And यहाँ दो आपको बिंदु देने हैं. Okay, children. So do it at home. Don't forget to do it. Just a moment. So let's go for the next one. So you can see we have completed our swara here. Aha के बाद हमने complete किया है. So let's go for the next one. Let me clear the screen now. So बच्चों हमने ये वर्कशीट कंप्लीट कर दिया है. आगे देखेंगे. अरे क्या है स्क्रीन पर? Now we have to say the three magical words और वो क्या है? Abracadabra, gilly gilly, chew. That's right. So we can see here हम क्या देख रहे हैं? वर्णमाला और वर्णमाला हमें रिसाइट करनी है. तो चलो क से कमल, क से कमल, ख से खरगोश, ख से खरगोश, ग से गमला, ग से गमला, घ से घर, घ से घर. ये क्या है? अंग. कौन सा अक्षर है ये? अंग. च से चम्मच, च से चम्मच, छ से छतरी, छ से छतरी, ज से जहाज, ज से जहाज, झ से झंडा, झ से झंडा. बच्चों आप मेरे साथ पढ़ रहे हो ना? और ये क्या है? य. नेक्स्ट वन इज ट से टमाटर, ट से टमाटर, ठ से ठप्पा, ठ से ठप्पा, ड से डमरू, ड से डमरू, ढ से ढक्कन, ढ से ढक्कन. और ये है ण, बाण. नेक्स्ट वन इज त से तरबूज, त से तरबूज, थ से थर्मस, थ से थर्मस, द से दवात, द से दवात यानी इंपॉट, ध से धनुष, ध से धनुष, न से नल, न से नल. Yes, so we have recited till न तक हमारा complete हुआ है. Parents, you can make your child to write it in your rough notebook, okay, in 2-line notebook, okay, and do till न. आप न तक उनका complete करवा के ले सकते हो. So this is the time with fun with games, and today's game is open and close. The name of the game is open and close. So children, are you excited? Before we start with our game and I give you the instruction, we are going to do some fun activity. So take your hand like this and put the butter on it, and how it is? It's yummy. Yes, come on, we will do it. Bread, butter, yummy. These are the three actions. Now I'm going to play with you. Come on, let's start. Bread, butter, yummy, yummy, butter, bread, bread, butter, yummy. Now we will do it faster. Bread, butter, 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 yummy, bread, butter, yummy, yummy, butter. Oh, yes, I've ate my sandwich. Yes. So this was a game. You have to play this at home. Do play it and enjoy it. So this is the fun with games now, and today's game is open and close, and the instructions are as follows. So what you all have to do, parents have to instruct the child to open your eyes and then close and blink your eyes. Blow air in your cheeks as the girl is doing here on the screen. Raise your eyebrows like this. So how is the game? Yes, you have to open your eyes. When your parent instructs you, close your eyes or blink your eyes or blow the air in your cheeks, okay, or raise your elbows. But this you have to do according to the instructions of your parents. So parent has to do the actions and encourage the child do and participate in this game. Parent can change the sequence of actions, also can increase and decrease the speed depending on child's interest to do it, and let the child enjoy it. Okay, so this is the game Fun with Games, and we are going to end up the session, but before that I'm going to give you some instructions. We are having a parent and teacher interaction meet at 12:30 on team link, so don't forget that, parents. And this is the child to this is the literacy symphonics instructions. Child to watch the activity video on introduction of letter R. Parents to do the follow-up activities with the child using the parent resource sheet. So don't forget to do the activity on literacy. And then next comes active exploration, music and movement. So listen to the music and sorry listen to the music and have fun, be creative, and make your parents to dance in the tune of the music. Okay, let them also participate with you, children. And next comes the origami tadpole. Parents to encourage your child to make the origami tadpole with the help of the poster. The poster has been already sent to you. Go through the poster and please do read the instructions and do origami tadpole accordingly. The next one is understanding my word, which comes under child independent activity. Here the child has to do this activity independently. Drawing time it is, and the child has to draw my toys. Child to draw the toys and enjoy playing the most. Okay, the toy which he or she enjoys the most has to be drawn on the piece of the paper. Okay, so and the child has to color it. The next one is special chores. This we have discussed in the special skill of the day. The same thing I'm going to tell you to the parents to motivate your child to help you in the kitchen by washing the vegetables. So these are all the activities the child has to do with the help of the parents and without the help of the parents as per the instructions given by me. This was the day 18 of session 4. That's right. And this is the second last day. Tomorrow will be the last day, that is day 19, and we are going for the session 5 next. Okay. So thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye-bye. Do all the activities. Bye, children.